All right. Welcome back to Unbox and Chill, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. And I do want to say, before I say anything else, hit that subscribe button. We're about 90 subscribers away from our giveaway here. We have 1,000 subscriber giveaway. There should be a subscribe button below, or there should be a red box in that bottom corner with my logo on it. Hit that, hit subscribe, join the Unbox and Chill family, and look, I might mail you something out. We'll see. So I'm here in the middle of the night. We are doing an unboxing. It's real late, or I guess real early now. It's real early in the morning. But I do have our Watch Gang Black Tier subscription watch, and this is for the month of June 2021. So I did receive it. I've had it for a couple days now. I've kind of made my opinion on it, kind of have my thoughts on it, and I'm going to go over it with you guys, share it with the channel, and let's jump into it. Let me get my desk ready. Let me move everything out of the way. I guess I'll keep the mouse here because I do have the information up on my monitor here. So in terms of the specifications, so we can go over all of those. All right, so now, for those who don't know, I like to kind of do just a quick run through. This is from WatchGang.com. It's a subscription box service. This is a $99 watch that they'll, essentially for 99 bucks is the cost of the subscription. They'll send you a watch every month. This particular watch is here. This is for the month of June. We're going to take a look at it now. All right, so this is what they sent us. You see we've just got this typical black box with the sheath here. So we'll take the sheath off. We'll move this out of the way. Which I get why they put these on, because I guess the top keeps the top on. The top may come off without them. But I usually always end up losing these or throwing these away, guys. So here we go. So we've got Rain. So we'll bring that in here. If you remember, we did unbox a Rain watch on the channel. We did unbox the Commodus. It was the Rain Commodus. It was a skeleton dial. So it was a complete skeleton dial. It was interesting. Like I said, it wasn't a terrible looking watch. I'll see if I can leave the link in the comment section below. It really wasn't a terrible looking watch. Definitely felt like it was something from China, had kind of a nondescript, no-name movement in it. But in terms of starting out, if you're starting out with watches, it really wasn't a terrible-looking piece. And again, fully skeleton dial, so it was kind of nice to see everything work on the inside of it. This one is the Impaler, so we'll get into it here. So you have the paper box, and the paper box here is, again, that's something you get with a $99 $99 watch here. So some of them have come with nicer boxes, but this particular box is just usually I feel like the box this cheap is usually on their $30 tier. So, but anyway, we'll go on in here. So we'll pull that out. Looks like we've got some silica gel. And in here we do have the typical, which this came with the last one, the Rain, if I can get it out of the box here. The Rain, looks like the warranty card here. So I will say that it looks like the box is black on this one. The previous Rain box, I believe, was a pewter. So it was a pewter, and then I believe the lettering was in bronze, and I think I actually like that a little bit better. I guess maybe trying to get you in the mindset of royalty, because the logo is Rain, and then it does have like a king's scepter here. So now this is the watch here. This is the Impaler. I will say the first thing that kind of stuck out to me was the strap. It doesn't feel super cheap, or at least not as cheap as I originally thought it would feel. As you can see, it's a black leather with a white contrast stitch. And the case size, actually, or the case shape, I should say, actually stood out to me as well. So I'll bring it in for some detailed shots here so you guys can see it. Let me zoom in. There we go. And, it's got a squared off shape to it. So I actually really like that. I think that as you can see, it has a point here, it has points in the corner. So it's more of a square shape than a round shape. In terms of the overall case shape, I think that's actually pretty good looking, actually. I think that's really visually pleasing. The kind of squared off shape that's going on there. As you can see, we do have an open, like an open heart situation here, so you can see it ticking. This is an automatic watch. It does, I believe, say that on the dial. It has the Rain logo there. Well, the one thing that I'll say about this dial that I don't care for, though, is going to be the numbers here, the numerals. To me, they just don't. I don't like the font. Well, I should say I'm not a huge fan of the font. They're not offensive. They're just not something that I necessarily would choose. Inside this, powering this watch, you do have a Seiko NH35. So it is something that is, a workhorse. We've seen these before, and it's nice to see an automatic watch in the black tier of Watch Gang. For 99 bucks, it's not the usual, it's not some quartz chronograph, which is, I feel like what they send out a lot of. It's nice to get something that is automatic. That alone, I believe, makes this worth the price of admission. Listen, 99 bucks. Yeah, I do like the strap. The strap doesn't feel cheap. I was very surprised at how, kind of how soft it is, just for this price point here. On the buckle here, you do have Rain kind of etched in there, so you can see that. And in terms of the back of the watch, as I undo this here, there we go. You can see that NH35 does have an exhibition case back. Very nice. Like I said, guys, 99 bucks. This really isn't bad. Nice exhibition case back. You can see that rotor there turning, winding the watch. And like I said, overall, it's just not a bad looking piece, guys. Let me go over the specifications with you. Oh, I do have, because I'm official, guys, I have the digital measurement calipers. So we'll get some sizes here, guys. Looks like we're at about, let's see here. Let's go on in and measure that. Looks like they get like that way. Let's see. Looks like we're at about 41. Let's see here. Let's measure this way. Looks like we're at about, what is that, 40.6? Looks like, 41 that way as well. So like I said, it is a square. And then in terms of the thickness as well, let me bring that in. Let's see here. Looks like we're at about 13.3. So, like I said, it's not super thick. It's not super big. In terms of what they have the specifications as, guys, we'll go over real quick just what's on their website. We've got the 316L surgical quality stainless steel. So the stainless steel is 316L. Oh, my cat is meowing. Bear with me, guys. Let's see here. We've got a jeweled Seiko. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the NH39. NH39 automatic movement here. Let's see here. So we do have, let's see here. It does say a 40-hour power reserve. Let's see here. So it does have 21, let's see here. 21,600, that's the beats per hour. It does have a sapphire-coated mineral crystal in terms of the lens here. So it's a sapphire-coated mineral crystal. Let's see here. It does say genuine leather strap. So, I mean, it's just genuine leather. But again, I do think that it doesn't feel as cheap as I would expect it to feel. Does have an observation case back to view the movement, which is nice. And it does say it has a logo engraved stainless steel clasp, as we know. We saw that. Luminous hands, 24-hour dial, and it does say it's about 42 millimeters. As we just measured it seems like, to my measurement, it's about 41, or 41 and change. But 42 millimeters, as they say here, is an extremely approachable size here. So let's pop it on the wrist. We'll zoom back out here. There we go. And I am still, shout out to Minty on time, I'm still wearing this Dan Henry 1964 chronograph. I was going to get rid of it. I did pick it up. I was going to go ahead and dump it off and get rid of it just because it's a little smaller here. It's only a 38 millimeter. It only looks small next to my other watches. so once my other watches go away, it actually doesn't look too terrible once it's by itself. But it's on this beautiful beads of rice. That's what it came on. It's real nice. I like the bracelet. I do like the watch a lot. Really wish that I could have gotten this in perhaps a 42 millimeter, like the Rain Impaler here. But I've been trying to tough through it, guys, and it's actually really not bad. Really versatile. You can wear it casual. Also, it's real small, so it does look nice with a dress shirt as well as kind of a dress chrono. It's really not bad. So let's put that to the side here, the Dan Henry 1964. That video is on the channel as well. You can scroll back and check that out if you haven't seen it already. And I'm going to buckle up the Rain Impaler. We're going to take it for a, give me 1 second. I'm going to go out of view of the camera real quick here. We are going to try and take it for a wrist test drive here. So you guys can see it on the wrist. Now, for reference, my wrists are roughly 8¼ inch. So I have pretty big wrists here, and feast your eyes on this. There we go. Let's adjust it a little bit here. There we go. Let's go in for some detail. So there it is on the wrist. Like I said, that's about 41 by my measurements, but 42 millimeters. But keep in mind, this is the Rain Impaler. You've got that NH39. My cat's knocking stuff down. What are you doing? My cat's knocking stuff down. Bear with me, guys. NH39 movement. He's in my office going crazy. NH39 is knocking over actually watch boxes. NH39 movement there. That's really, of course, has a nice, nice robust movement with a smooth sweep. You can see beating away there with the open heart. But overall, guys, a really solid, really nice piece. Bracelet is, the band seems nicer than it should be. It feels sturdier than it should for 99 bucks. Genuine Seiko movement. Decent offering for Watch Gang this month for just $99. So, listen, this one, not bad at all. I would say for this price and everything, they knocked it out of the park for the 99 bucks. Let me know, is this a watch you would wear? Would you wear the Rain Impaler? Sound off in the comment section below. I'm going to hang out there and answer some of your questions if you have any questions. Like I said, if you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button. We're 90 people away from 1,000, so I cannot wait to mail something out to somebody. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.